Okay, hello dear students, this is me again. In this opportunity, I'm going to talk about the second submission of our class project. Okay, probably you remember that we've already mentioned the objective, the methodology of this project in previous video. In this one, well, I want to focus on the second submission that is coming this Sunday, October the 3rd. Okay, so what's your mission? Well, you have to write down a speech script in which you talk about a brief summary of the history of your degree. Please, when I say brief, it's very short, something very short about the summary that you did for the first submission, right? In this one, you did like a historical timeline for you to make it attractive for people. But in this one, it's only a Word document that you have to send me, including these aspects. The first one, that brief summary that I already mentioned, the importance of your degree for Colombia, okay? How important it is to be an engineer or to study medicine or to study ethnic arts? Well, I don't know, whatever your career is, you have to focus the attention on the importance of it for Colombia. How you're taking an important and active role as a student at Javeriana University, in case you are leading any kind of project or if you have any specific or particular interest in any field of your degree. And finally, you have to include two anecdotes. It could be something positive or negative related to your educative process in your degree. Okay, I don't know, your first day of class or your favorite subject or your favorite teacher. Well, I don't know, any kind of anecdote that you can tell other people when you study your degree. Well, of course, since this is a writing evaluation, well, you have to mind your grammar usage, vocabulary construction, spelling, punctuation, capitalization. Okay, those are the aspects that I'm going to take into account as for the evaluation. There is a minimum of words that you have to comply with, which is 450 words is the minimum. Okay, well, there is no maximum, but well, keep it simple. 500, 600, well, no more, not that long. Okay, but not less than 450. And finally, when you have it ready, the Word document, you have to attach it or send it using Brightspace that you will find in Buzón, okay, or assignments. I don't know if you have it in Spanish or English. I have a couple of recommendations over here. Please do not use electronic translators. Sometimes you write down all the speech script like in a whole paragraph and then you put it into Google Translator and then you copy and paste. No, 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 don't do that. Electronic translators are not, let's say, reliable for this kind of exercises. So don't do it. Try to write in English. And of course, don't commit plagiarism, okay? Which means that I want you to please be original, write down important aspects regarding your personal experience, okay? So don't copy and paste from someone else. And if you find, for example, in this case, the history or the importance of Colombia, if you find some references, please cite that properly, okay, with APA style. That's also something good you should do. Maximum, you have to send me this task on October the 3rd. Okay, so well, I hope you can work on these days on that. Well, that was also included in the timetable, so I hope you can devote some time to execute this task. Okay, well, I call it script finally because that's regarding the third submission that you will have to deliver that speech in a video, okay, on November. But well, that's the third submission, okay, third submission. So far you have to work on this second submission, which is a script in a Word document. Okay, well, I hope you can work very hard on this second submission. See you next time. Bye bye.